are welcome. Today we will see how to make a dynamic modal pop-up in Vue.js. So let's start.
So I have created one application here in Vue 3, that is learn Vue, and here I have created one counter.view component, and another one is edit current modal, edit count modal.view. So these are two components, and here this is app.view. So here we are using counter component, and message is this is counter application. So here let's see first the working application. This is running on port 5173. So I will refresh the page. Here this is count is 0, and this is edit count, and this is a counter application. So first I will do is count. I will just click on it, and it will show something like this 21. Here you can see this is edit count model is open, pop up with data 21, because this is dynamic model. So what we are doing is we are taking this 21 and showing on the model pop-up. So this is dynamic model. Here we can decrease the value, we can increase the value. So let's say it is 25. Save this, and here this is 25. Let's increase to 30. It count, then decrease something 27. Then again save. This is 27. This is how this application is working. Now let's see the code. So inside counter.view, I have something called open modal, and this is modal visible. This is a reactive value, and here what we are doing is doing true, and by default is false. When we are clicking the button, then it is calling open modal and doing true. After that, here you will see we are using edit count modal component. We are passing two props, that is visible and modal value, and then it is v modal. This is visible and count. So this is a two-way binding because it is using v modal. So here what we are doing is inside modal visible, here you will see inside this is uh, v model. So it inside here you will see something like props. Here two props, one is modal value, another one is visible, and in that modal value we are doing is number, and visible also boolean. This is defined props, and then we are doing something called update, and update visible, that is define limits. So now let's do one thing. So here we have update model, and what it is doing is it is updating value in the parent component with this number. After doing save, and this is doing visible, this variable this will be false, so that model pop-up will disappear. And this is only close, then what will happen is that it will do is update visible false. So here this model visible will be value will be false, and it will model visibility state will be false, so it will not show the model. So this is how we are doing. and here we are updating the value. So update modal value. So modal value, this prop will be updated with this value here, this one. So count here is, this is count, so count will be updated. So this is two-way winding we seen. Also we seen how to use dynamic modal pop-up. And here you will see watch props dot visible and local value dot value equal to props dot modal value. So what this is doing is, every time visibility change, it is assigning local value with modal value. And this is here local value, modal v modal dot number equal to local value. So here this is local value, this is a reactive variable, and this is a reactive value. And here we will see these places we are using. So another one is this. If this value will be null, not null, and not a nan, say that is, it is checking not a number. So then what is it is doing, it is updating. So this we are doing. And uh, now this is something css part. So let's skip this, because our agenda is to cover the uh, TypeScript functionality, how it is working. So we can css, we can decorate according to our need. So thanks for watching. Stay connected to your workflow.